G'day guys, my name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity, and today we are reacting to my normal Australian house tour. This video was requested to us by Heath Chaz. Fez is currently eating a natural, the Natural Confectionery Company raspberry flavor, so he's not going to talk much. But yeah, so this video was requested to us by Heath Chaz. We got these snacks from Australia, obviously. And so before we hop in this video and see what an average, normal Australian house looks like, if you would go ahead and click that like button, it definitely helps us out in getting these videos out to more people. Also, if you would go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, that way you guys can stay informed on our future videos. And if you'd like to help support the channel even more and get an exclusive YouTube short shout out, click the join button down below.
And yes, sir, unless this is complete satire, odds are we are going to do some comparison to what we have here.
How you going? This is my house, and I like it.
You just threw it on the ground. With the socks, that's so you.
No. I'm always barefoot.
No, at work, where you have the
Oh.
the mixed match, like dress socks.
Mine aren't mixed match today.
SpongeBob. Where do you get those at? Where do you get them at?
I think I got these from Kohl's.
Collins.
I got Patrick socks too.
Yeah, I saw you wore those yesterday or the day before.
Yep. Day before. Yesterday I wore Rugrats.
Hey, he's like
That was talented.
Mary Poppins.
You know, I've made a lot of videos in this house, but I've never made one where the house is the main character. So that's why today I thought I would shine the spotlight on my house and show you why I like
Legitimately.
it so much.
Yeah.
Come with me. So, some of you may have noticed that a lot of people have houses, but I don't know of that many people that
awesome
own this
door.
specific house. And my family first built this house because we wanted a place to shelter from the sun. Actually, we didn't build it. We don't know how to build houses. We paid someone else to build it. And actually, even though they know how to build houses, someone else built the house that they live in. No one wants to build their own house, but you know. So
grandfather built
this
his own house.
is the first thing I like about my house.
Why won't he show his face?
Maybe it's just his style.
He's
Everybody's
just
got a
really
different-
focusing on the house.
Yeah, but everybody's got a different
Right.
style.
My door. And I would argue that this is actually the most important part of my house. And this is a very, very versatile device. For example, you can go in this way.
Is the
then
other side open?
If you know how to and you want to, you can go out this way. But then,
So stupid.
once you get really good at it, you can go in
And
and out really
Somebody's playing a cello or something.
fast. And I've kind of tried to explain to people how my door works, but it's quite complicated. So I think a good way of imagining it is if you think of it a bit like a wormhole, you know? So you've got you go in one place and then you come out another. Yeah?
That's a good way to look at it.
No, it's not actually,
How do you know?
because a wormhole is drastically different. A wormhole.
You don't know.
So the reason that you use a piece of paper.
Let's get technical.
So the reason you use a piece of paper. So if it was a door, you go in one, you come out the other. A wormhole's concept is that this is the area
warped.
between is space. So you are coming in on this side, and wherever this is, you're coming out. So therefore, it is not like a wormhole.
Okay. Sorry that I wasn't technical.
I'm just fucking with you.
All right, let's go in. Also,
And out.
some of you may be looking at this door. and Maybe
Wait,
thinking
wait,
it
wait,
is
wait,
a
wait,
very
wait.
large door.
You have to have a key to use the deadbolt on both sides.
Oh, that's unfortunate, actually.
That's very stressful.
Yeah.
So if you're like, I'm home alone, I watched a fucking scary movie.
You gotta go find your keys.
I gotta go find my keys to lock the door. because any bad guy can break that door. If you've ever watched the bottom handle, if you've ever watched any movie, so the deadbolt is your saving grace. But it's like, hold on, guys, don't break in my door.
Let me get the right key out.
They don't need to be this wide. But then how else would you be able to do things like this?
Oh, so the other
For a
side
moment,
doesn't
we were
work.
thinking
Okay,
we would just
cool.
get some arm cutouts on the walls, or here, or here, or here, but that would just be very expensive. So, moving on.
It's it's cold.
So then, once I'm sheltered inside my house, sometimes I like to sit right there and watch TV. And then, when my time is up, sometimes we switch places.
When my time
and the
is
TV
up.
sits there and it watches
The
me.
fuck?
The amount of time you put into this.
So, let's move on to the laundry. All
I
right,
feel like
next-
the lack of time,
So he's got an abacus, so he knows math.
or it's just
Hey, that's kind of like your laptop. That's like the laptop
it's
we're using right
probably
now.
the same laptop.
It's just yours is gold, like weird.
That's gold.
And then you got to. I like his setup. You can like fall asleep on both sides
Yeah.
or across the middle. I'm
Next room, so this little room is the laundry. I really wish I could get in here, as I've heard it's a useful room. And we used to have some lizards living under the washing machine. And they were great because they'll just hang out, they'll eat our bugs, and they'll wash their skin in the washing machine. But then when winter came around and it was nice and cold, they kept leaving the heater on. And electricity is expensive, so we had to kick them out. But good times. All right, next room.
This is definitely
So
satire.
now onto my favourite room
yeah.
in the house, the bathroom.
But
That's a clean
realistically,
kitchen.
always
He
asking
said
me,
the bathroom.
oh, did you?
I'm pretty sure he said the
My
bathroom.
favourite room in the house, the bathroom.
Yeah.
Just start pissing all over the place. But seriously, what is going on with your
It's
plugs? They're
bubbles.
all right next to each other.
Oh, I don't know, but this is the cleanest room.
Don't
we've
you
seen
want to
so
spread them
far.
out so you can have something over here and then have something over here? But they're all like,
Yeah. Is that what all you were gonna say?
no, I was just enjoying looking at the house.
It's a clean kitchen compared to everything else.
And people are always asking me, how do you get so squeaky clean? But I never tell them. But this is my secret, an industrial bathtub like this. Oh, this is Daniel. He doesn't like to use doors. We're filming now.
Can you not film me while I'm having a bath?
Oi, look, you don't need to hide in the closet. Daniel throws towels at everybody. Come with me, I've got 2 more things I want to show you. So, what I wanted to show you is this wall. Did the music stop? Oi, put the music back on, I'm still filming. Yeah, nice. All right. So this wall here is the easternmost wall of my house. And out of the 4 walls, I would definitely say this one is my favorite. And so far it's done a great job
is so
of,
dumb.
of
It is,
keeping
it's
my
great.
house upright, so I can't complain. So there was actually a rumor that during the construction of my house, there was a tradesperson who put his finger in between the bricks and the mortar and he got stuck. Isn't that right, mate? Yeah, so there's only one more thing I want to show you, because I know you've probably got other houses you want to see, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. And that's wait, look, I'll be honest.
Is that
I
his
didn't- I
pool?
didn't think you were going to stick around this long, so I kind of made up that last bit there, and I don't really have anything else to show
Show
you.
us your pool, man.
This is so dumb.
But it's getting dark now, so I'll show you out.
Yeah, canoe.
So there we go. Thanks for checking out my house, and I hope you like it. If you did like it, make sure to check out some of my other videos that are in.
It looks like his license plate says Dad.
This was unfortunate.
Does that not look like DAD?
Yeah, it does. This was like cringe, kind
What's
of.
the channel called? Is it Dad something?
I did a thing.
Oh, so no. I was wondering if maybe
He's
it
got
was just
quite a few
vanity
subscribers.
plate. Yeah, he does. Shit.
This is a homage to my house and all the times it sheltered me from weather conditions that I no longer have to think about as I lie in bed at night. Thank you, house.
Yeah, well, in my house,
his face in
if
the
it rains
thumbnail.
outside. Oh, he's human. Oh, he's fucking huge.
Well, it's cropped.
No. Look at how big he is compared to the house.
I thought you were being serious for a second. I'm like, you fucking idiot. Okay.
Wow, does that make you the fucking idiot for thinking I was serious? Anyways. But guys, videos like this are awesome. We enjoy them. They're hilarious. So there's going to be a link down in our description to our Discord. So if you want to give us some video suggestions, which we are loaded up. I was going through
No,
them.
we're actually not.
Are we really not?
No, we're not.
Are you sure?
Yes, we need more suggestions.
Okay. We need more suggestions, apparently.
Yes.
To be fair, he picks out the videos. I watch them. I know I'm the star. But anyways,
Nobody
guys,
liked you.
no, everybody
kidding.
hates me.
No, I'm kidding.
If it
I'm
wasn't,
kidding.
no, you're
no, you
not
do.
wrong.
Like I honestly, so our other countries that we've hit, like the majority hated you,
Yeah.
and I feel like it's 50-50 Australia.
Yeah, I'll take it. And you're like 100%. You're like 99.99999%.
In the other countries,
No, here.
no, I'd say 50. No, I'm saying like 50% like you more, 50% like me more.
All right. Question down below.
No,
Who do you
we
like
can do a
more?
poll. You want to do a poll?
Yeah, I don't care if I lose. Obviously, I don't because I won't shut the fuck up. If I would shut the fuck up, more people I would at work.
Like that is their biggest complaint.
Now, here's
is
what's
like,
really
quit
funny.
talking.
Here's what's really funny. At work, everybody likes me more than him, which is kind of funny.
That's because I don't talk to anybody up there.
Yeah, everybody loves me up at work because I'm like willing to do stuff for everybody and just real nice. I try to be a positive person. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button and bell notification. If you want to support us directly, hit that join button. And with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name's Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.